From blog posts to product descriptions, written content drives engagement and informs audiences. It's essential for building a strong online presence. Kateb is an AI writing assistant that's designed to help you generate a wide variety of content formats, and it does it with impressive speed and coherence. Imagine having a tool that can draft a well-structured article in minutes, saving you valuable time. The core strength of Kateb lies in its versatility. Whether you need a blog post, a product description, or even ad copy, Kateb has got you covered. It adapts to your needs seamlessly. You can use it to generate full blog articles on virtually any topic, which is huge if you're thinking about starting your own niche blog or offering content writing services. This can save you countless hours and help you focus on other aspects of your business. It can also craft compelling product descriptions for e-commerce stores, which is a constant need for online sellers. High-quality product descriptions can significantly impact your sales and customer engagement, making your products more appealing. And if you're dabbling in online advertising, Kateb can help you write ad copy for platforms like Facebook or Google Ads, optimizing for engagement and conversion. Effective ad copy is crucial for capturing attention and driving clicks. The AI provides a fantastic foundation, and your role becomes more of an editor and strategist. You can fine-tune the content to match your brand's voice and ensure it resonates with your audience, making it truly unique. The ability to generate full blogs, detailed product descriptions, and persuasive ad copy with AI assistance is a serious advantage in today's digital landscape. It allows you to scale your content efforts efficiently and maintain a consistent output. Alright, moving on to our third AI tool, and this one is for anyone who needs audio content. Voicemaker.in. Voiceovers are a crucial component for so many things online. YouTube videos, audiobooks, e-learning courses, corporate training videos, podcast intros, and even for accessibility features on websites. Voicemaker.in offers a compelling AI-driven alternative. You take your written script, paste it into Voicemaker's platform, choose from a variety of AI-generated voices, customize things like speed, pitch, and pauses, and then download the audio file. The quality of AI voices has improved dramatically over the last few years, and Voicemaker offers a range of natural-sounding options in different languages and accents. The monetization opportunities here are pretty diverse. One obvious application is for YouTube content creators. You can create entire channels where the voiceover is AI-generated, focusing your efforts on research, scripting, and video editing. Number 4 on our list is Looka.com, and this AI tool is all about visual branding, specifically logo design. Looka.com is a game-changer for anyone looking to create a professional logo without the need for extensive design skills or a big budget. Every new business, every website, every YouTube channel, and every product needs a logo. A logo is often the first impression people get of a brand, and it needs to be memorable and professional. Looka.com uses artificial intelligence to generate a wide variety of logo options based on your input. This means you can get a unique and tailored logo in just a few clicks, making the process incredibly efficient. You tell it your company name, the industry you're in, colors you like, symbols or styles you prefer, and its AI engine gets to work, presenting you with a whole host of potential logo designs in seconds. This customization ensures that your logo truly represents your brand's identity. The path to monetization with Looka is pretty clear. You can offer logo design services. By leveraging Looka's AI capabilities, you can quickly generate logos for clients, saving time and increasing your productivity. There's a massive, constant demand for logos. Businesses are always in need of fresh, eye-catching logos to stand out in the market. Think about all the new businesses starting every day, or existing businesses looking to rebrand. Each of these represents a potential client for your logo design services. You can position yourself So, there you have it, 5 powerful AI websites that can genuinely help you start earning money online, potentially over $500 a month, without needing specialized skills or a hefty upfront investment. And staying updated with the latest tools and trends can give you a competitive edge. And these tools are just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other AI-driven platforms out there waiting to be discovered, but they represent a real, tangible opportunity for anyone willing to learn and adapt. The more you explore, the more you'll realize the potential of AI in transforming your work. The most important step is the first one, choosing a tool and taking action. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Voiceover. If you want more videos like this filled with tips and insights on leveraging AI for your benefit, subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with your friends who might find it useful. And comment top AI earns below. Your journey to AI-powered earnings starts now. Let's embark on this exciting path.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to FinanceVerse Pro and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos.